Here's a question that I usually get. Are Gemini images royalty free? Are Gemini images copyrighted? If you're generating images on Google Gemini, are they royalty free or are they copyrighted by Google? So the short answer is yes, Gemini images are royalty free. Google does not claim ownership of the images you generate, meaning you can use them for commercial purposes like websites, adverts, products without paying Google any royalties or licensing fees. However, there are a few important catches to keep in mind. You don't get copyright protection. While you can use the images freely, you generally cannot copyright a purely AI generated image. This means you can't stop other people from using the exact same image unless you substantially edit it or alter it yourself. If the AI accidentally generates a recognizable brand logo like maybe the Nike swoosh or a real person's likeness, using it commercially could still get you sued by actual trademark owner. That's something that you just need to be aware of. Then there are some prohibited uses. You cannot use the images for illegal, hateful, or deceptive purposes per Google's terms of service. But to answer the question, are Gemini images royalty free? The short answer is yes. Gemini images are royalty free. They are not copyrighted by Google.